If your hands keep tingling, your legs feel weak, or your joints just aren't as flexible as they used to be, your body may be missing something essential. And no, it's not an expensive supplement or complicated treatment. The answer might be as simple as what's on your plate. Today, we're talking about 8 collagen-boosting snacks that can help bring strength back to your legs, ease that uncomfortable tingling in your hands, and keep your joints moving smoothly, all while tasting amazing. Why collagen matters more after 60. Most people hear the word collagen and think of creams or beauty products, but collagen is so much more than that. It's the structural glue that holds your body together, supporting your skin, joints, cartilage, tendons, and even nerve function. As we age, collagen production naturally slows down. That's why aches, stiffness, and that pins and needles feeling can creep in. But the good news is, through smart food choices, you can give your body the building blocks it needs to naturally rebuild collagen, and snacks are one of the easiest ways to do it. Let's dive into the 8 best collagen-rich snacks to help you feel strong, steady, and energized again. First, dark chocolate almond clusters. Yes, chocolate makes the list, but not the sugary candy bar kind. Real dark chocolate, with 70 to 85% cacao or higher, is packed with powerful plant compounds like flavonols and proanthocyanidins. These nutrients stimulate stem cell growth, reduce inflammation, and even protect your DNA. To make this collagen-boosting treat, melt about 1 ounce of dark chocolate. Stir in roasted almonds and a few dried goji berries, then spoon onto a tray and chill. The chocolate provides antioxidants, the almonds supply amino acids for collagen production, and the goji berries offer vitamin C to help your body use those nutrients effectively. It's indulgent, but healing at the same time. 2. Gelatin fruit bites. Gelatin is essentially collagen that's been broken down into an easy-to-absorb form. It's rich in glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the exact amino acids your body needs to rebuild tissue. Research shows people who consume gelatin regularly can reduce joint pain significantly over time. To make these tasty bites, warm a cup of unsweetened cherry or pomegranate juice, stir in 2 tablespoons of plain gelatin until dissolved, add fresh berries and nuts if you like, then chill in molds. These little treats work behind the scenes to ease stiffness and support flexibility, perfect for aging joints. 3. Chicken bone broth. Bites. Bone broth isn't just comfort food, it's a collagen goldmine. Slowly simmering chicken bones with vinegar and vegetables releases collagen and healing amino acids like glycine and proline. Once cooled, the broth naturally gels. That's collagen in action. Reheat a small scoop daily with lemon and parsley, and you're giving your joints and nerves exactly what they need to recover and function smoothly. Even half a cup per day can make a real difference in mobility and comfort. 4. Cantaloupe mint cubes. Collagen can't form without vitamin C, and cantaloupe is loaded with it. 1 cup provides nearly 2/3 of your daily requirement, which helps kickstart collagen production and ease stiffness. Cut ripe cantaloupe into cubes, drizzle with lime, sprinkle chopped pistachios, and toss with fresh mint. This refreshing snack hydrates, supports your immune system, and fuels collagen synthesis naturally. 5. Tomato caprese salad bites. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C and lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects existing collagen. Pairing tomatoes with healthy fats boosts nutrient absorption, making this simple salad a true joint-friendly powerhouse. Slice ripe tomatoes and layer with mozzarella or avocado, drizzle with olive oil, and top with fresh basil. It's light, delicious, and works from the inside out to protect your joints and skin. 6. Guava yogurt bowl. Guava is one of the richest sources of vitamin C, far surpassing oranges. Just 100 grams give you over 200 milligrams of vitamin C, essential for collagen production. Chop fresh guava and mix it into plain Greek yogurt. Add a drizzle of honey, a squeeze of lime, and top with nuts. The combination of vitamin C and protein makes this a collagen-building powerhouse that's easy on digestion and full of anti-inflammatory benefits. 7. Kiwi crunch snack. Just 2 to 3 kiwis a day, flood your body with collagen-activating vitamin C. Slice them up, top with toasted almonds or walnuts, and sprinkle with a pinch of chili or sea salt for a circulation boost. This simple snack not only promotes collagen formation, but also supports digestion and nerve health, making it especially helpful for easing tingling and weakness as you age. Pineapple nut bites. Pineapple stands out thanks to bromelain, an enzyme that reduces inflammation deep in the body. Combined with pineapple's natural vitamin C, it's a powerful duo for supporting joint and nerve health. Mix pineapple chunks with macadamia nuts or cashews, then sprinkle with cinnamon and mint for added benefits. Regularly enjoying this sweet, crunchy snack can help you feel more flexible, energized, and mobile. There you have it, 8 collagen-boosting snacks that are as delicious as they are powerful. Dark chocolate clusters, gelatin fruit bites, chicken bone broth, cantaloupe mint cubes, tomato caprese salad, guava yogurt bowls, kiwi crunch bites, pineapple nut chunks. Even adding just one of these to your daily routine can support your joints, nerves, and collagen production, helping you say goodbye to tingling hands and weak legs, and hello to strength and mobility. If you found this video helpful, tap the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips. Turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. And I'd love to hear from you. Which of these snacks will you try first? Let me know in the comments below.